In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save your Clipchamp project to your computer step by step. If you've finished editing your video and you're wondering how to properly export and download it so you can upload it somewhere else, share it, or keep it as a backup, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process. I'll keep it simple and beginner-friendly so you can follow along even if you're brand new to Clipchamp. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. From your dashboard, you'll see all your existing video projects. Click on the one you want to save to your computer. This will open the full editing interface where you can see your timeline, media, and preview window. Before exporting, quickly make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. Play through your video, double-check your cuts, transitions, text, music, and audio levels. Once you export the project as a video file, you won't be able to change it unless you come back and re-edit the original project, so it's always a good idea to review everything first. Now that your project is ready, go to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the export options, including resolution settings. Click on the resolution of your choice. Clipchamp typically gives you options like 480p, 720p, 1080p, and sometimes higher, depending on your plan. If you're uploading to YouTube or sharing on most social platforms, 1080p is usually the best balance between quality and file size. If you need a smaller file, you can choose 720p. Simply click on the resolution that fits your needs. After selecting your preferred resolution, click on the Export button. Once you click Export, Clipchamp will begin processing your video. This is where the platform renders your entire project into a single downloadable video file. The export time will depend on the length of your video, the resolution you selected, and your computer's performance. During this process, try not to close your browser tab or shut down your computer. Just let it finish rendering completely. When the export is complete, Clipchamp will automatically start downloading the video file to your computer in most cases. If it doesn't download automatically, you'll see an option that says Save to your computer. Click on that option, and your browser will prompt you to choose where you want to save the file. Select your preferred folder, such as desktop, downloads, or a specific project folder, and confirm the download. Once saved, you can open the file directly from your computer and use it however you like. And that's it. That's exactly how you save a Clipchamp project to your computer. Open your project, choose your resolution, click Export, and download the final video file. It's a simple process once you know where everything is located. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Clipchamp guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.